What's up guys, in this tutorial I will show you how to repair weapons and equipment in Lost Ark. This should be quite an easy tutorial. For more information, click on the first link in the description below. While playing Lost Ark, open up your overlay map or world map and try to locate the Repairer NPC on your map. The Repairer NPC is marked with an anvil icon to make it easier for you to locate them. Next, speak with the NPC, and you can then select the weapons and equipment you wish to repair. You have the option to repair each piece of gear individually, or simply repair all items in your inventory at once. Pay a small amount of shillings, and this amount will depend on how damaged your equipment is. In case you have any further issues or problems following this tutorial, then I suggest following my extensive guide linked in the description below. I hope this helped you out. Leave a comment if you have any questions, and see you in the next one.